Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to guide you through managing your health savings account, HSA, with Optum Bank, particularly focusing on the tax benefits associated with HSAs. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand what an HSA is. Before diving into management, it's vital to comprehend what an HSA is. An HSA is a tax-advantaged savings account designed for individuals with high-deductible health plans, HDHPs. You can use these funds for qualified medical expenses, and any contributions made are tax-deductible. Step 2. Set up your HSA with Optum Bank. If you haven't already, set up your HSA with Optum Bank. You can do this online through Optum Bank's website. Make sure you have your personal details and bank information handy for a smooth setup process. Step 3. Contribute to your HSA. You can contribute to your HSA through payroll deductions or make direct contributions. Remember the annual contribution limit set by the IRS, $3,050 for individuals and $7,150 for families, as of 2023. Contributions are tax-deductible, reducing your taxable income for the year. Step 4. Keep track of your expenses. Managing your expenses is crucial. Use the Optum Bank HSA mobile app or online platform to track your medical expenses. Keep records of receipts and invoices for qualified medical expenses to ensure you can claim them when filing taxes. Step 5. Make investment choices. Optum Bank allows you to invest HSA funds in various investment options once your balance reaches a certain threshold. Take advantage of this by researching investment opportunities that align with your financial goals. Investments grow tax-free within the HSA. Step 6. Withdraw funds for qualified expenses. When you are ready to use your HSA funds, make sure to withdraw them only for qualified medical expenses to avoid penalties. Optum Bank provides various methods to access your funds, including debit cards and online transfers. Step 7. Be aware of tax filing requirements. When tax season approaches, ensure you report your HSA contributions and withdrawals. You'll receive Form 1099-SA from Optum Bank, which details the distributions you've made. Use this information to accurately file your taxes and take advantage of the HSA tax benefits. Step 8. Review annual contributions and adjust as needed. At the end of each year, review your contributions to ensure you maximize your HSA benefits for the upcoming year. Adjust your contributions as necessary based on changes in your health plan or financial situation. Managing your HSA with Optum Bank is a straightforward process that can offer significant tax advantages. By understanding the intricacies and making informed decisions, you can maximize your savings and invest wisely for your healthcare needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insights on financial management and tax benefits.